Okay, this recording goes through the structure of a compact bone. So this should be on page 2 towards the bottom of your paper. So you have, these are just pictures of, pointing to where everything is. So the compact bone, like on the outside, you can see the spongy bone here and then the compact bone here. Okay, some structure of the compact bone. So you have what's called an osteon. So this is the cylinder-shaped unit of the bone. They also call it a haversian system, and it's only found in this type of bone. Then you have central canal. So this is where your arteries, veins, and nerves are in the central canal. The perforating canal, it goes horizontal. And we'll label this here in a minute so you can see where these things are. An osteocyte is a bone cell. Lacuna is the space where the osteocytes are. And this should be on page 3. Caniculus, these are small passageways for extensions of those osteocytes. So again, if you need to pause to get this before I move on, that is fine. That's why I'm pre-recording it. All right, this is a big time labeling picture. You won't need to know all of these for the test, but you do need to fill them all out for the notes. And I'll let you know again on the labeling for the information test. So you have the endosteum, and I know your picture is in black and white, but you can always go back to this recording and pause this and look at it. So you have the endosteum here. This is just showing a nerve and blood vessels. This is pointing to the compact bone. Okay, and then this big picture is this little bitty section. They just blew this up so you can see it a lot better. So you have spongy bone here. You can see it kind of has like all the holes in it and everything. Looks like a sponge. And then you have compact bone a lot closer together. These are pores right here that it's pointing to. We'll just go to the right and then down. So you have the osteon, which is what this structure is. It's made up of a bunch of those osteons. You can see those in the other areas of the picture too. This right here is pointing to the central canal that contains like your blood vessels and your nerves. You can just put central canal on your paper. This is pointing to the periosteum, the outside layer. This again is pointing to another central canal right here. It's just showing you another one. Okay, you see these little, they're kind of going like sideways a little bit. Those are perforating canals. And then this is pointing to a nerve and blood vessels again. Okay, this is pointing to the trabeculae. That's these little areas within, like kind of surrounding the pores. This is just pointing to a nerve. Okay, and then this bottom picture is this little portion blown up. So you have what's called bone matrix right here. The caniculus, that's these little, they're kind of going sideways here. The little, look like little spider webs in there. An osteocyte, you can see one here. There's one over here, another one over here. And then the lacunae or lacuna is the space in between there. So again, if you need to pause on this to finish filling out your chart, please do so.